One day, a king announced that a sheep will walk everywhere in the street and no one will stop it, whatever it wants to eat. Whenever that sheep crosses the street, everyone who was present there started to be silent. One day, three friends decided that they will take away that sheep from the street, and if anyone will follow them, they will hide it in any place that no one can reach there. When they saw that sheep was walking in the street and there wasn't anyone, so they had stolen it. Next day, king announced that if anyone who will find these thieves, he can give gifts to them. But no one had found them. A minister advised that we will spread coins in the street. If anyone will bow down to take these coins, we will easily judge that person is thief. Two friends were afraid to go there, but one man was very much brave, so he said that he will go there. One thief was very much brave and expert to make shoes. His shoes were different. Whenever he was walking in the street, all coins came in the bottom of the shoes. Slowly he started walking here and there, and people saw that no one had bowed down to take coin, but there wasn't any coin in the street. In that way, curiosity increases in the minds of the people, and also the king decided that if anyone who will come himself. Next day, three friends went there with that sheep and also the coins. King was surprised and he was happy to find out his sheep, and he has given them gifts. When you don't take risks, you don't get anything different. Take risks and achieve your success. Your success is nothing but your mindset. When your mindset is clear, you can win.